This 2020 Coachmen Catalina 174FQS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 20 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, self-contained, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, TV, refrigerator, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, awning, spare tire kit, TV antenna, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.